Hello all, this is Mona from third year VVIT ECE. Firstly, I want to thank all my faculty and Coursera for providing us this wonderful platform in this content time. Actually, I'm very much interested to learn regarding IoT, Internet of Things. To do projects on this, we need to know regarding Raspberry Pi board and many other external equipment. To know and to perform projects on this equipment, we need to read instructions which has very separate procedures for each equipment. We need to access each element and connect to that board. It will be a difficult task by reading in internet and connecting them. It will be easy by visualizing. I took this as an opportunity and enrolled for a course which is provided by University of California. The name of the course is Interfacing with Raspberry Pi. I was very happy with the mentor who was provided by the university. He is very informative and a knowledgeable person. He explains everything in a very good manner. He explains everything like it was in front of us. He's in front of us and explaining. I'm very happy with the mentor. Actually, he explains what are the components we need to gather before the class and we want to explain, and he'll let allow us to practice with that. He'll explain how to practice in offline. For small tasks, he'll say that you can do this. It is not a matter for us. He'll encourage us in every part of time. Projects on Raspberry Pi, we need to get access on two things: hardware and software. Hardware connections we can do because we belong to electronics background. Coming to software, we need to be very perfect. We need to program every line. Since the projects come to real time world, we need to program which are related to real time analysis. Java and Python are the only two programming languages for students to do programming easily for projects in real time purposes. To do projects on Raspberry Pi board, many students prefer Python programming. Python, being an ECE student, I am not that good at Python programming. So I registered for a course called Programming with Everyone. It is a 7-week course actually. It was offered by University of Michigan, and that mentor who was provided by the University of Michigan is very funny, and he explains everything in a like we are a small children to I mean he'll be explaining like he's very funny. He's very interactive. He'll be explaining what are the tools we need to do, we need to download to perform Python programming, and he'll be explaining how to do offline work regarding Python. He also gives us other extra information how to do with the Raspberry Pi. uh, we also got to know how to do Python programming, what are the facilities by using Python, how it makes easy Python programming, how it applies to real time world. He explained all this in introduction part, and he's explaining everything, syntaxes from basics onwards, from roots onwards we are learning. So it is very easy for us to access all those things. So I think he's one of the best one to teach Python. And other thing is we learned everything very easily in his guidance. He is explaining like by taking different examples. Actually, learning programming is not only learning syntaxes. He explains a syntax by taking an example, which will be very connective, so we can remember easily. So we can connect to that and we can apply to other thing. And I also want to learn something like how to apply this Python programming in Raspberry Pi. In the middle of his lectures, he'll include videos of other lecturers, the inventor of Python programming, and some other persons who are dealing with the projects, and some bonus lectures, etc., etc. There will be assignments and practice exercises to be submitted. It will be a very good practice for students to do this course. Python programming is also helpful for students for their placements. It will be helpful for the software jobs, etc. But learning this programming with everyone is a very good course and will be helpful for all the students. Thank you.